everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan. I am a legal intern in Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Let us now study about it. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution says that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. And here is the case related to it, which is the very famous case. We must know about it. That is the prior to the Menka Gandhi's case decision. This was given before the Menka Gandhi's decision. Article 21 guarantees that the right to life and the personal liberty to the citizens only against the arbitrary actions of the executive and not from legislative action, and the state would interfere with the liberty of citizens if it could support its action by a valid law. But after the Menka Gandhi's case decision, the Article 21 now protects the right to life and the personal liberty of the citizen not only from the executive action but from legislative action too. And there are many cases related to it. That is the Karakar Singh versus the state of UP, and in this case it was held that the expression life is not limited to bodily restraint or confinement to prison only, but something more than their animal existence. The Supreme Court further extended the scope of this article and held that the right to travel abroad was also a part of the personal liberty within the meaning of Article 21. And thereafter, there is the Menka Gandhi's case. It was held that the right to live is not merely confined to physical existence, but it includes within its ambit by the right to live with the human dignity. And there was a case of Francis Collyer versus Union of Territory of Delhi. The court held that the right to live with human dignity goes along with the bare necessities of the life, that is the nutrition, clothing, shelter, and facilities for reading, writing, and expression ourselves is reserved from sir. And Oleg Tellis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation, which was the famous case which is known as the pavement dwellers case, and where the 5 bench was set up, and that it stated that the word life includes the livelihood under this act of Article 21. Is the another case related to it, that is Joginder Kumar versus state of UP, where the apex court has given directions regarding the arrest of the arrest, where the court has emphasized that a police officer may have the power to arrest, but justification for exercising the power is quite another matter, and person's reputation is vested of his right under Article 21, where it was held in the case of Mahmood Nair Azam versus state of Chhattisgarh. And likewise, we come to know the list number of cases that has evidence the expanding the scope of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, but above mentioned cases are the landmark judgments. Guys, this video is related to the Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, and we have discussed the article scope by discussing the various different cases related to it. And if you need more information related to it, please do write in a comment section, and please do subscribe this channel Lexis.